Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that MON token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, MON is a high performance layer 1 blockchain that aims to address the scalability limitation of existing networks, compatibility with the Ethereum virtual machine EVM. This means developer can deploy their existing Ethereum smart contracts and use familiar tools like MetaMask on Monad without modification. Monad is a blockchain platform that it stands out for its high performance and Ethereum compatibility, designed to address the scalability and efficiency challenges faced by existing blockchain technologies. It achieves a remarkable throughput of 10,000 transactions per second by implementing optimization in four critical areas: Monad BFT, deferred execution, parallel execution, and Monad DB. These innovations not only enhance the platform's performance but also ensure it remains fully compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine EVM by code and the Ethereum remote procedure cell API. Monad token total supply is 100 billion and circulating supply is around 10.83 billion MON token. MON token is listed on Coinbase, Bybit, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this proves that up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.